This is my Kamikaze Airboat I built a few years ago. I had a SuperTigre 90 on it, and I decided to broke down and decided to put my Enya 4-stroke 60 10cc engine on here. And again, I got it dialed in pretty good. It runs pretty good now. Let's do a little test here and fire it up for you. That's not exactly what I was expecting. Try that again. It is warmed up, I just had it running. Definitely seems a lot happier with being a little burbly on the idle there. I got it. It's idling about 2,900 or thereabouts, and then the top end about 9,800 on a 12x6 APC prop there. But I think when I actually run it on the water, I'll probably put the 13x6 on there to give it a little more oomph. But definitely runs better on here than it did on the test stand. So with a little more time and get it in an airplane later on down the road, it'll be a good running little machine.